Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home, your Key Stage 2 word study session. I have got a fabulous sciencey themed root word for you today, and it is a bound morpheme, and it is this one. It is flect. Okay, so you can see we've got their flect. It's from the Latin flectere, meaning to bend. Okay, so we're going to be looking at all these words which contain the root morpheme flect. I will show you the grid. Not loads of pathways for this one, but I think it's a really nice one in explaining why some of the words we use have come about, really, and hopefully will help you again if you are trying to decipher, especially when you go up to secondary school, when you're doing your science work. You may be able to figure out what some of the words mean because of you using your word study. So get ready to pause the video while I put the grid up. Okay, let's see how you did. The most obvious one, and probably the word you know the best, is to have reflect. Okay, so think about what you know about the prefix re, and now we know that flect means bend. Let's think about reflected and reflection, and reflective and reflectively. So with these words here, pause the video now and have a little chat about what the re means and how these words kind of took their meaning. Okay, so re, remember, means back or again. So if you think of a reflection, is actually to do with that light bending back off something else. So your reflection in the mirror is actually the light coming back, bending back at you. So that's where that comes from, because the re is the back, okay, back or again. So we've got reflected, reflection, we've got that shun, which is a T-I-O-N, because the flect ends in a T. And then reflective, remember that's how you could describe a property, in that it's a reflective, I don't know, like a high-vis vest as a reflective band on it because it reflects the light off it. So it's a property that is reflective, it does reflect things. Or you could talk about it being as a like a personality trait, couldn't you? They're very reflective about their practice, they thought about what they did. And again, that kind of means comes to that bit of about, again, going back over things again. So we've got reflective and reflectively as the adverb. We've got deflect, deflection, deflecting, and we've got inflection. So we've got the deflect and the inflect. They're sort of the opposites. So de meaning away from, and in meaning in or towards, and the flect meaning bend. So you could talk about deflecting, deflect a shot, deflect it away, maybe the goalie or defender deflects something, and that's actually to do with getting in the way and bending it away from where it's going. And the same with an inflect, especially in language, talk about an inflection, but it actually to do with bending towards where you want it to go. So that's quite a literal translation, really. De meaning away from, and in meaning towards, and the flect meaning bend. So you can deflect or inflect. And again, to do inflect, sometimes talk about an accent and inflecting accent in speech in foreign languages. So that's all really there is for that. Like I say, the main one is to do with your reflection and your reflecting properties. So yeah, flect means bend. That's about it. So pick a couple of those words, write a couple of sentences, and then you are done for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.